Hello. Hey, sorry, I've been real busy. Sorry.
I know, no problem.
Yeah, it's okay.
I know that's why I don't call you.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Because this one come off.
Just this one. What about the other one? The other one, okay?
No, this one come off.
Oh, my carpal tunnel's hurting.
Oh,
Here you go.
thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
So if I can,
Just bring it now. Bring it now. I take a look. Come now.
I think that I need a key. That's
Okay,
why
I'll be here for another 5 minutes. Come back.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I put another clip. So hopefully it stay.
Okay.
Because any more you gotta just replace him. Or like I told you, we see if this works. Hopefully works for a while. But if not, we gotta replace.
I see. Replace will be very expensive. If I need anything,
All right, thank you.
And let somebody want to Portugal, I will refer you.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah,
All right, thank you.
Okay, we need to look.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, 20 yard.
Yeah.
All right, let's race. Come on, we race. No?
Huh?
You want to race?
Oh yeah.
All right, come on. Come on, we race.
Race.
Come on.
Race.
Come on. Let's take a look. All right, you win. You win. You win.
Okay, next time. Just
You're more healthy than me.
so next time, if I have problem, I have your business card. I
Yeah.
will call you.
Where?
No,
The little small dent.
yeah, this one just estimate one by one.
Price my minimum at 300.
300.
Yes. Oh my God. So much.
Can you give me the estimate the invoice?
Yeah, I can give you one.
You just send me the invoice and the picture.
Yeah, that says Dent
Okay.
Master 300 2 dents and scratch.
Okay. Just
That's good enough for now.
yeah, just two of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I put 2 dents and
May I
scratch.
know your name, sir?
Jacob.
Jacob. Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Thank you, Frank.
Thank you.